behind the projection screen, and again. I hope this is, no, I don't hope. I'll rephrase that word, hope. Well, it should, well, if it looks good, it looks good. I've got low expectations on this. It'll probably look rubbish, and I probably won't like it. So I've got very low expectation at the moment, until I can see it fitted, installed in place, and then functioning how it should. Anyway, so I can't edit this video, so I'll put this as part 1, and then part 2 should be with it all finished and the screen all back in place.